myself, I will try to speak in English. In order, in one video, I will show up my emotions and I can also share this to my friends. I am now 18 years old, but still depressed. But still depressed. It's hard to be a survivor. Why does everybody judge victims, those victims like me? I know I don't have a child for blame, but my conscience tells me that I am also experiencing it because my grandmother also experienced it. My grandmother died without husband like Christ. I don't want to be the same to my mother, but the world is too injustice. Nuns, Catholic faith defenders, many Catholics told me that it is impossible. It is impossible. Lord, I don't know if this is a sign that I will be raped soon and have a child that like my grandmother, but I can't bear to be selfish. I am now 18, but I'm still depressed because of my trauma. I already forgive the nurse who abused me, my female classmate who was way more older than me. I already forgive her, him, all of them. But you know what I can't forgive? Is the judgments from myself. The judgments to my fellow victims. I understand their situation. That they cannot be married to the man they love just because they have child from their rapist. Yes, it's a great issue about case of being a nun or being a consecrated virgin with the case of having offspring from abuse. The reason why I keep saying this because I can't move on. I cannot just forget that because my body is ruined. It's ruined. Ruined. But I did have a child. But that doesn't mean that I must be selfish. That okay, I can be a consecrated virgin because I am still a virgin in according to Saint Thomas Aquinas. Even though I lost my hymen, I lost my physical virgin, I'm still a virgin because I didn't mean to have sex. Just because of that, I am already means that I am still a virgin according to Saint Thomas Aquinas. Well, I'm just having concern for my fellow victims of abuse. But they cannot be engaged to Christ just because they have child from their abuser. Well, Santa Monica was a widower, had children, and became a nun. And I also hope for consecrated virginity. Many Catholic faith defenders telling me that I am only for single blessedness. Why are they keep saying that? Can't they even see that I am still an altar servant inside of my traumas? Or they shall say that I cannot be an altar server if ever I got to have a child. Yes, I may not serve at the altar, but once I give birth, and I became healthy again, I can step again, right? I am depressed again. Even though it's my birthday tonight. Because the world is so cruel. I understand rape, incest, and problems of those not reaching your dreams just because of the violation of your body. Do you really think to so whoever someone watching this video, do you really think that I'm hypocrite? Do you really think I really have a child or something else do you do? Well, if ever I have, I will show it now already. But I didn't. I didn't. I never. I am just preparing if ever I had. And I don't know when. But I hope not. But if ever that happens, I must accept. But that doesn't mean that I shall fail my dreams. Is that how you say many are called, few are chosen? If that purely exists in this world, why there are still called altar servers who failed? Why there are still altar servers who got suspended, but they had the calling to be an altar server? If those being called and became got kicked, how about those being kicked but doesn't have the calling or did not receive the ordination or the bless of the sacrament? My night was ruined again because of my trauma and the judgments of those Catholic faith defenders, Catholics, nuns, and priests. I am still depressed, but I still need to fight on. Because what a dump I am to wish the Catholic Church to make me a saint. But whatever it is, if I ever became a saint, it is not for myself. It's also for others. No one of those altar servers who really understand me. No one though, those Catholic defenders, nuns, clergies, who purely understand me. No one says sorry. No one. No one. Only they know is to regret. Did accept if ever God, Jesus, the Holy Trinity. If I am really meant to be a single blessed, single alone, I don't want to be called single blessedness because I don't want to call myself single blessedness if I have the calling, but I can't receive it just because of the judgments and because of my vow. Why I cannot break my vow to Jesus that I cannot be a consecrated virgin if those rape victims with children cannot be consecrated virgin? Because I already vowed it in the whole demonstrance at the adoration room. If God really exists, even that smallest vow, smallest promise, personal promise, was being kept in this mind. It will never be erased into the heart and mind of God. I promise. And I can never ever break it. Because if I die without breaking it, if I die an active Catholic, despite of my traumas, judgments in this world, I still had the chance to be a saint. Oh, how deep, harsh is my face, sorry. But thank you. Don't you worry. As an 18-year-old, I will be a matured human. But I will more be matured Catholic, be a matured follower of God, devoted to my promise to God. Thank you.